In today's video review, we are going to meet one of the top smartphones for this year. It is not simply one, it is HTC One. There is definitely a lot to see and say about this phone, so let's begin. The first impression is always made by the design, and without any exaggeration, this one here is honestly heart-melting. Not only is it a beautifully crafted phone, but it is also supposed to be quite firm as well, because of the aluminum used. The metal-grained white housing curves elegantly along the way. The backlit is a whole piece of metal that goes all over to the front as well, to cover the grids of the earpiece and the microphone on the bottom. The white plastic, which is highlighted by a silver bezel here, goes all over its periphery lines. The surface is fingerprint and dust repellent. The whole construction looks and feels somehow entirely integrated. The plastic and the metal are harmoniously mixed together, using the zero-gap technology to end up with this luxurious-looking device. Or in other words, HTC receives an excellent mark for this fine make. The front of the HTC One catches our eyes with a 4.7-inch 1080p screen, or in other words, it delivers a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. It gives this phone the highest pixel density value out there. This is 468 pixels per inch. Besides, HTC Display features the latest Super LCD 3 technology for more natural-looking colors, higher contrast and faster response. Watching videos and pictures on this one is really a pleasure to the eye, as even the smallest details come to life. This flagship runs Android 4.1.2 operating system, which HTC have completely changed to end up with their new Sense 5.0 interface. It is completely different from what we're used to seeing from HTC, much more simple, flexible and definitely much better looking. The Sense 5 introduces the unique to HTC Blink Feed home screen. It is a manager which helps you personalize the information you would like to see updated real-time on your start screen. It very much refers to Windows Phone 8 tile interface, the only difference being the size of the tiles, which is adjustable here. The general idea is a home screen mixture of different refreshable contents, news, social networks and photos. Having the HTC behind me playing a song, I had the impression for a sound coming from the desktop speakers. HTC Boom Sound delivers a crystal clear and deep sound coming from the two front-facing stereo speakers on the top and the bottom to create a more surround sound effect. The Beats Audio technology here additionally enhances the sound quality on the HTC One. This elegant flagship packs powerful potential inside. It incorporates the power and force of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 600 chipset. Or, talking numbers, a quad-core 1.7 GHz processor which delivers flawless performance. No lags are noticed even during heavy multitasking. In fact, the HTC has its special place among the fastest smartphone devices on the market. The graphics are delivered by Adreno 320 GPU and the system memory on board is 2 GB. Of course, a 4G LTE configuration is recommended to get most out of this phone. The user available storage capacity is 32 or 64 GB. You should probably have in mind that a microSD card slot is not available to increase that memory, but cloud services are. With all refreshing tiles and moderate use, the high-capacity 2300 mAh battery piece on board will provide power for about a day and a half. As you can figure it out by yourself, it is not a user-replaceable battery unit. We were also a little bit disappointed by the lack of wireless charging capabilities. On the back we see a pretty big lens, as HTC One features a 4 ultra-pixel camera. Actually, camera is where we have a lot to say, so we will do it in a separate video review. Long story short, from any perspective, HTC One is one top-notch phone.